Hi guys, so welcome. Today we're gonna be learning how to draw these two girl body poses. So let's go ahead and start. For the first pose, we're gonna start by sketching out an oval to draw the head. Next, we're gonna draw her neck and her shoulders just like that. Draw 4 lines to make her torso. Next, I'm just drawing a guideline to help with the pelvis area. Draw a V shape right here. We're gonna sketch out the legs in 3 parts, so this is the first part that I'm sketching out. This is the second part that ends off at the knees. And the third part, which is the calf area, the bottom portion of the leg, and the last part that we're sketching out. Next up, we're gonna draw the feet. For the arms, we're gonna start with a few guidelines. Next, I went ahead and lightly erased the guidelines, and now I'm actually sketching out the arm and just using the guidelines to help me. For the next pose, we're going to start by drawing an oval and sketching out the head. After drawing the neck, for her shoulders, they're going to be slightly up. And then we're gonna do the same thing for the torso, just like we did before. So draw the 4 lines, then connect it at the end, and then draw a triangle right there. Next, we're gonna draw the legs just like we did earlier as well. So draw the first part like so. And for some reason, I moved on to the arms here, so we're gonna start by drawing the hands, and then we're gonna draw the arms. It's just easier that way, in my opinion. It helps you kind of figure out where everything should go. So here we're drawing the arms, and we're just basically connecting it to the shoulders, just like that. And we're just gonna do the same thing on the other side. So start by sketching out the hand, and then we're gonna connect the arms. Okay, so back to the legs. We did the first part, so now we're gonna finish and move on to the next part. which is just basically the thighs ending off at the knees. And then we're gonna do the rest of the leg, the third and final part. And last but not least, finish off by drawing off the feet just like so. So that's it for today's video. I really hope this tutorial helped you in any way. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this, and I will see you guys in the next video.